Hey guys, welcome to Hacking Tips and Tricks. So here today I am gonna show you about how to run a car with UI in any Android device or any iOS device. So let us begin. Firstly, you have to create a scene that here I have already done a scene. So the main camera and direct light is by default. Alright, so just you have to import the car, the UI. I will give you the link download these all things, so no need any worry. You will have your car. You can change the color of the car very easily by going here. The first one, you can change any color. Just see. Okay, so here I am putting this one. Alright, so firstly for running our car we need a terrain 3D object. Right, everything is done. Don't forget to add mesh collider. So after adding mesh collider, you have to just run. Right, everything is set. Just run the car. Alright, car is not running because of one thing I have forgotten. Okay, so go into UI, accelerate, and here in event trigger you have to put the car. After putting car, go here car controller, gas pressed, and in second one car controller the same, gas pressed, no, the gas released. Be careful because here two gas pressed are there, gas press are, so you have to do gas released. Alright, do same in reverse but different one. Go into controller, gas pressed R, it means your car will go reverse. Okay, and here gas released. Alright, so after doing this, just run the game. And I'm pressing the button. You can see that car is moving. You can check it very properly. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, then please like it, comment it and do share. Thank you.